Y'all see them inches or not? Okay, like, all right. You feel me? Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. Very pretty. Now this unit was sent to me from Wiggins Hair Company, guys. It's been a long time since I collaborated with this company. Now I just want to mention straight off the bat, this is my second install with this unit. Last week I had this unit on for practically about 5 days in total. This unit is actually very pretty, guys. This is their 26-inch loose deep wave texture. The unit is a 13x4 HD wig, guys, and the density on this one is 250% density. So the unit is a very nice, full, pretty, guys, pretty deep wave look. Now one thing about this unit that I kind of was like, you know, a little funny about was that the frontal part is actually a little bit straight right here. I had an issue with it in the beginning, and then once I co-washed it the second time around, I realized that it just makes it look more seamless and lays very flat. Now this is their HD lace, guys, and when I tell y'all this wig is impeccable AF, when I first installed this unit, I was absolutely in love with the unit, guys, not just because of the curl pattern, but because the lace itself was just so melted. The unit looks very pretty, guys. I did go ahead and do baby hair magic on this one because, you know, you gotta do a little baby hair flex on both sides with this one. It is very nice lace, guys, nice soft lace. The frontal part is actually a little bit looser, which I realized, so I kind of think this here is kind of like a loose wave texture. It does say deep wave. You'll see a lot of the deep wave pattern right here, and the hair is lovely as well too, guys. Obviously I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. 26 inches is actually a very long length, guys. I was surprised with this one, but I think all in all it looks very pretty, very nice. I wanted to keep this unit as, you know, simple as possible, even though I did do baby hair magic, and you guys can see that lace is impeccable AF, guys. Look at that flawless finish. The baby hairs, I just did really nice, you know, simple baby hairs on this side. I didn't add any powder to the lace cap at all with this unit, guys. I just used the glue and melted it in with a little bit of the Eben spray as well, just to make sure that the hair laid and slayed very nicely. As far as products for the hair, you guys know I use the same product all the time on my curly hair, which is the Cantu curling cream or Cantu leave-in conditioner. I used the curling cream on this one, let it air dry. Beautiful, guys. Add a little water to it, Cantu product, and let it air dry. This is the hair in its natural air dried state, guys. Very, very nice and lovely. Like, come on, let me get a close up on it so y'all could, okay, like, all right. You feel me? Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing a unit like this. I actually wish I had this unit for Bangkok, but I didn't have it. So I'm definitely going to keep this for my December trip because I think it's a very nice unit for a tropical trip or a tropical vacation or whatever it is, guys. So yeah. So I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Wiggins Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.